Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so today we're pitting two super-automatic espresso machines against each other. The Philips 3200 series with Latte Go, specifically the renewed EP3200 model.
And the Zulay Magia fully automatic espresso machine with grinder. This one boasts 19 customizable options. Ready to see how they stack up?
Yeah, let's dive in. Coffee lovers, get ready. The Philips machine focuses on simplicity, making 5 delicious fresh bean coffees like espresso and cappuccino with minimal fuss.
The Zulay machine goes all out with variety. We're talking 19 coffee recipes, including latte, cappuccino, americano, macchiato, flat white, even more. Plus, it handles both fresh beans and pre-ground coffee.
Wow, that's a big difference. If you want options, Zulay is clearly the winner. The Philips uses its Latte Go system to create silky smooth milk froth. They claim it's super easy to clean, just 2 parts in 15 seconds under the tap.
The Zulay machine also has a milk foam system, but it's the customizability that stands out. You can tweak the milk and froth levels to your exact preference. Sounds pretty similar so far, but the Zulay is hinting at more control.
The Philips machine lets you adjust the grinder in 12 steps, giving you some control over the fineness of your grind.
The Zulay machine counters with a stainless steel conical burr grinder, also adjustable. The burr grinder is generally preferred by coffee aficionados for a more consistent grind.
Okay, good to know. Burr grinders are a nice touch. The Philips highlights its aroma extract system, which intelligently balances brewing temperature and aroma extraction, keeping the water between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius.
The Zulay machine lets you customize almost everything: coffee strength, volume, temperature, milk, and froth. Plus, you can save up to 10 user profiles, so more customizable it sounds like. Perfect for households with different coffee preferences.
The Philips boasts durable ceramic grinders that are good for at least 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
I don't see a specific cup count for the Zulay machine's grinder in the provided data, but it's stainless steel, which is known for durability.
That is a good point. The Philips' ceramic grinder lifespan is impressive. The Philips, with its 2-part Latte Go system, is designed for easy cleaning. They say it takes only 15 seconds.
The Zulay machine has an auto-cleaning function. Plus, the drip tray, water tank, and coffee waste bin are all dishwasher safe. Both sound easy to keep clean, which is a must. Nobody wants a high-maintenance espresso machine.
The Philips uses an AquaClean filter, which means you don't have to descale as often, up to 5,000 cups.
The Zulay machine doesn't seem to highlight a descaling feature quite like that, so that might be something to consider for long-term maintenance.
Good to know. One thing that may be a factor is the size. Counter space is precious. The Philips is relatively compact at about 17 inches deep, 10 wide, and 15 high.
The Zulay machine is noticeably larger at 22 inches deep, almost 13 wide, and nearly 14 high. So the Zulay machine is bigger, but it also offers more coffee options and customization. If you're short on counter space, the Philips might be better, but if you want more features and don't mind the extra size, the Zulay could be the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.